Welcome to episode 2 of Sage's X3 Preventive Maintenance. Let's begin by logging into the Maintenance Manager's homepage. Upon login, on the left, you'll find the Manager's process map, while on the right, there's a query displaying new requests and below it, a calendar showing scheduled maintenance tasks by priority. Navigate to the job ticket request within the query to access the specific request. Upon reviewing the request details, you'll notice it's categorized as a breakdown with an electrical issue, as described in the job request description and reason code fields. The impacted asset, requested date, and urgency are also visible below the asset, equipment task grid. Next, review the attachments by clicking on the paperclip icon and selecting View to examine attached photos, confirming details like the sparking issue described earlier. Access the notes from the production manager by clicking the word Cloud icon to view additional insights, such as potential causes like operating equipment beyond recommended speeds. Now, let's convert this request into a firm job ticket by changing the job ticket status from planned to firm. Adjust the start date accordingly, considering operational needs. Leave the priority as urgent and proceed to the components grid. While awaiting the technician's diagnosis of the electrical problem, adhere to standard operating procedures by adding required personal protective equipment. Click the ellipsis and select Add Unexpected Material to add safety glasses, PMC glasses with a quantity of 1. Navigate to the Tasks grid and add a new task by clicking the ellipsis on line 3 and selecting Additional Operation Unplanned. Define the task details such as the step, the description, and define the asset MAX001E. We will also require that the resource is skilled as an electrician by selecting the ELE skill set. Next, as we enter a GN1. For our technician, we encounter an error message because GN1 is not certified with the ELE skill, so we must change it to the appropriate resource of ELE1. Confirm the resource selection, ensuring they have the necessary certification. Once details are finalized, save the changes and confirm scheduling adjustments by clicking OK. Save the record and print the maintenance job ticket as needed. We will also explore electronic issuance capabilities for future reference. When returning to the homepage, you can confirm the removal of the maintenance request from the requester query. It is now scheduled in the Job Ticket Scheduled calendar, where you can select the day to view all newly scheduled tasks. Additionally, native workflow notifications allow us to stay informed. For example, an email notification is sent to the production team, providing updates on the current status, expected date of service, and the assigned technician. This concludes the creation and dispatching of the maintenance job ticket.